Dude, stop grinding your teeth while we sleep.
I can't help it. It's comfy.
Take a look. We're losing parts of ourselves every night. If this continues, we'll be completely worn out.
If you're so upset about it, put on some headphones.
Where is that noise coming from?
It's him! Shut him up! Huh? This makes no difference at all!
That's a custom-made night splint. It's not meant to stop the grinding. It absorbs the pressure so your teeth don't damage each other.
This is so annoying. Even with the mouth guard, he's still grinding.
You had a condition called bruxism, which is why you grind your teeth at night. So we custom-made a night splint and fitted it over your teeth. It doesn't stop the grinding, but it absorbs the pressure and prevents wear and tear, helping protect your teeth from damage.